Apple cider vinegar at night benefits. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is often promoted as a natural remedy for various issues, including acid reflux and weight loss. Some studies indicate that consuming fermented beverages like ACV before sleep may aid in weight reduction. Many wellness experts and researchers also suggest that drinking ACV on an empty stomach before breakfast can have a similar positive effect. ACV has a long history of use in medicine, with claims of benefits for conditions like eczema, high cholesterol, and type 2 diabetes. While it's commonly consumed in the morning, taking ACV before bed can also offer health benefits in multiple ways. 10 potential benefits of having apple cider vinegar. 1. Antimicrobial properties. Antimicrobial properties refer to a substance's ability to kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These properties are crucial in preventing infections and maintaining hygiene. Natural substances such as garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar possess strong antimicrobial effects. For example, garlic contains allicin, a compound effective against various bacteria. Honey has been used for centuries to treat wounds due to its antibacterial properties. Apple cider vinegar, rich in acetic acid, can help eliminate harmful bacteria. Incorporating these natural antimicrobials into your diet and daily routine can enhance your immune defense and overall health. 2. Weight loss. Achieving weight loss requires a combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while limiting processed foods and sugary snacks. Regular physical activity, such as cardio and strength training, boosts metabolism and burns calories. Staying hydrated and getting adequate sleep also play vital roles in weight management. Setting realistic goals and tracking progress can keep you motivated. 3. Blood sugar control. Controlling blood sugar is crucial for overall health, especially for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Balanced blood sugar levels can be maintained through a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper medication management. Consuming a diet rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats helps stabilize blood sugar. Avoiding sugary snacks and refined carbs prevents spikes and crashes. Regular physical activity improves insulin sensitivity, helping the body use glucose more effectively. Monitoring blood sugar levels regularly and following medical advice ensures effective management. Consistent habits and a proactive approach can significantly improve blood sugar control and overall well-being. 4. Morning breath. Morning breath, often caused by dry mouth, bacteria buildup, and poor oral hygiene, can be unpleasant. While we sleep, saliva production decreases, allowing bacteria to thrive and produce foul-smelling compounds. Consuming certain foods like garlic and onions can also contribute. To combat morning breath, maintain good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing before bed, and consider using an antibacterial mouthwash. Staying hydrated helps keep saliva flowing, which naturally cleanses the mouth. For an extra boost, chew sugar-free gum or drink water first thing in the morning to freshen your breath and stimulate saliva production. 5. Improved digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar, ACV, before bed can significantly improve digestion. ACV contains beneficial enzymes and probiotics that aid in breaking down food more efficiently. Its acidic nature helps maintain stomach acidity, which is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. ACV can alleviate symptoms of bloating and indigestion by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Incorporating ACV into your nightly routine ensures smoother digestion and can lead to overall better gut health, making it a simple yet effective way to support your digestive system. 6. Improved sleep. Drinking apple cider vinegar, ACV, before bed can help improve sleep quality. ACV contains potassium and magnesium, which are known to promote relaxation and reduce nighttime leg cramps. The acetic acid in ACV can also aid in digestion, reducing indigestion and heartburn, common culprits for sleepless nights. For best results, mix a teaspoon of ACV with a glass of warm water and a bit of honey, and drink it 30 minutes before bedtime. 7. High uric acid levels. High uric acid levels can lead to gout, a painful form of arthritis, and kidney stones. Uric acid is produced when the body breaks down purines, substances found in certain foods and drinks. When the kidneys can't effectively eliminate uric acid, it builds up in the blood. Staying hydrated, maintaining a healthy weight, and taking prescribed medications can also help control uric acid levels. 8. May improve heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Several biological factors can affect your risk for heart disease. Research suggests that vinegar could possibly improve some of them. But, many studies on apple cider vinegar's benefits were conducted in animals, which may not reflect the benefits in humans. Apple cider vinegar may potentially benefit levels of high-density lipoprotein, low-density lipoprotein, triglycerides, and total cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar may benefit total cholesterol levels. 9. Skin health. Some people use apple cider vinegar as a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic, but it may be less acidic in people with eczema. Using diluted topical apple cider vinegar topically may help rebalance the skin's natural pH, improving the protective skin barrier. Apple cider vinegar may actually irritate the skin in some people, especially people with skin conditions like eczema. 10. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including some strains of bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Vinegar is also a food preservative. It inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food.